allowing yourself to find a comfortable position for you. If you prefer, you can lie down. Become aware of the body, on the contact of the body on the surface beneath you. We're taking a moment to be here now. In our lives, often we don't notice we're breathing all day long. So become aware now of your breath. Become aware of the breath flowing in and breath flowing out. In a moment, I'm going to ask you to take some nice deep breaths. And as we breathe deeply, we're taking in that extra oxygen into the body, helping to circulate the blood around. So allow your eyes to close or gaze to a fixed point. And take a deep breath in. And breathing out, letting go. Breathing in deeply, allowing your belly to expand. And as you exhale, letting the air simply escape. Take another full breath in, breathing in the fresh air. And then as you breathe out, letting go, allowing yourself to feel relaxed. Taking another breath in, deep, meaningful breath. And as you exhale, letting the air go. Focusing only on your breath. There's nothing else now, nothing else matters except your breath. Fully focusing on the breath as you take a deep breath in. And as you let go, feeling relaxed. All focus on your breath. Deep breathing in and out. Each time you breathe out, seeing if you can let go of any worries you're carrying. Letting them go as you exhale. Deep breaths in and out. Each time you breathe out, letting the wave of relaxation come over you. When you're ready, allow the breath to return to its usual pace. And focus on the breath. The only thing that matters now is the breath. Focus on it. Let it come in. Let it go out. Feeling invigorated from the extra oxygen you've taken in, yet relaxed. Watch your belly as it rises and as it falls. mentally saying to yourself, I choose to accept all the parts of myself today. I choose to accept all the parts of myself today. And I'm starting to love the person I'm becoming. I'm starting to love the person I'm becoming. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. I'm choosing to accept all the parts of myself today. All of my imperfections. And I'm starting to love the person I'm becoming. Awareness of the body. Begin to move the fingers and the toes. And then gently opening the eyes. I want you to take a moment now to think about one thing you can do, one activity that brings you joy. One activity that cheers you up, puts a smile on your face. Just bringing that to mind. Might be something like going dancing, watching a film. Might be something simple like having a drink in the morning. And then if anybody wants to share what brings you joy, I'd love to hear from you.